Hey, what's up guys, this is Siddiqui of the Zonady channel, and in this video I have created a few projects to show you guys. Now these projects are related to smart house, which I actually started earlier. I only made one project, which was an anti-theft alarm system, but I also have a revised version of that here and three other projects. The first one is this fire alarm system. So if there is any fire in your house, you're gonna be alerted. So I'm gonna start the simulation so that I can show it to you. Let's just zoom in. Now, this is our gas sensor, and right now the gas is far away. As soon as I bring this close to it, that was just late responsiveness, slow responsiveness. The second is the PIR motion sensor anti-theft alarm system. So here, if I'll do this in the end because this does not automatically stop. That does not happen with a real motion sensor, but that does happen in Tinkercad. So I'll do this one in the end. This is an auto pet feeding system. Right now, we are using an IR sensor along with an IR remote, though we're actually because there's no Wi-Fi module in Tinkercad. But when we do create this live, then we will use Wi-Fi modules, and you can control it from your mobile phone. So what happens is if I press the on button, right, it's again slow responsiveness, but this motor will start spinning, and actually on the top of the motor we're going to have a container. Okay, the motor spinning now. On the motor we're going to have a container in which there will be your pet food, and when the motor rotates, obviously the pet food falls down. Now I've chosen this button as my stop button, and when I press this, again slow responsiveness, but it will stop. Yes, it's slowing down, and 237, 14, and 10 stopped. Now let's go to our smart dustbin system. Actually, this is showing full right now. I'll tell you why in just a second. So I'll bring this away. So this one, I think I cannot explain without a 3D model. So I created a 3D model for this. Consider this to be the ultrasonic sensor, and this is our dustbin. Now, when the dustbin is full, the garbage will come in the range of the ultrasonic sensor, and as soon as it senses that the garbage has come in the range, so it will print on an LCD that it is full. So like it will print space left. So right now it's printing space left because I've set the limit of 15 centimeter, and this is 101.5 centimeter. Now if I bring this, I'll zoom out. Right. Now I bring this closer. Okay, this close. And now it's going to print full. Okay, slow responsiveness, right? It's still printing space left because slow response. Yeah, now it should. So it prints full. Right now, again, we don't have a Wi-Fi module, else we would have sent the notification on the mobile phone, and we could even add features that automatically it releases the packet, the polythene bag of the dustbin, or paper bags if you are environment friendly. Now, like I said, I'm going to move to the auto theft alarm system. in the end, and here it is. So we are here, and if I move this, then you see the motion. This is all of this, and if you want to make all of this, um, just buy all the materials, and I have the code links in the description box. So thank you so much, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. OMG, bye bye.